Okay, so today we're going to show you how to make a slip knot. And we make the slip knot in order to get the yarn onto the needle. So to do that, you take your yarn and you make this upside down U. Then you hold the yarn like this, give it a little twist, head of the fishy, tail of fishy, put your two pinchy fingers in the fishy's head and pull his tail through his little head. Then put the needle on the slip knot like that and tighten it just a little bit. Now you know this is a slip knot because if you pull both the ends, it comes out. So do that one more time. Make a U, upside down U. Twist it, makes a little X or a fish. Put your pinchy fingers in the fishy's head and pull his tail through his head. That's a slip knot. You know it's a slip knot because it will come out when you pull the ends.